I'm Ron from Kolleno, the suite app that helps you efficiently chase, get paid, and reconcile your invoices in NetSuite SuiteBilling. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through setting item field mappings to link additional item information fields across item fulfillment, subscription, and invoice records. First, we need to go to a Setup, Fulfillable Items with SuiteBilling, Items Field Mappings, New. So now we're on the form, and in the name field you enter a descriptive name for the field mapping, for example product key mapping. It's totally optional. Check the inactive box if you don't want to activate this mapping just yet. And then on the right hand side you will select the subsidiaries. You can choose one or more for applying the mapping. Note that only one mapping per subsidiary is allowed. Quick tip, non-one-word accounts, the subsidiary field isn't available and only one field mapping can be created. Please remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I would be super grateful and you'll get many more useful tutorials. Once you have done that, you need to configure the field mapping columns. In the field mapping name, for example, here it shows serial numbers, so that's the name for the mapping. It is included by default that one, and it supports serialized inventory item. You can use or delete it as needed. The field identifier here, you check this box if you want the field as an identifier, for example the serial number or product key. You can set one or two fields as identifiers, but be cautious as changing this later can impact updates for returns. The item fulfillment line field ID, you enter the script ID of the item information field you created in the item fulfillment records. Next, we have distribute values to subscription lines. So you check this to distribute comma-separated values from the item fulfillment or receipt record to subscription lines. Then we have the subscription line field ID, same script ID of the additional item for information field created in the subscription record. And then here we have invoice line field ID, again a script ID for the corresponding field on the invoice record. And some additional setting you have here is the included in printed invoice. So you would check that box if you want additional item information to appear on the printed invoice, especially if merging identical items is required for you. You do a quick visit to kolleno.com, and once this is done, you just click on Save to finalize the item field mapping. That's it. So I hope you got the essential information you needed on item fields mapping. Please like this video, and I will see you in the next one.